All right, today's story. I got this Lenovo Thinkpad here. This one was purchased in probably 2020, and this is a 2020, 2019-ish model. This is nothing really special. This is a Lenovo Thinkpad Intel Core i5, and the model number, which you guys may or may not even be able to see on camera, down here in the bottom right hand corner, it's called a E14. So you just look that up on the internet and you can kind of see some specifications on this. But this one was not that expensive at all. It probably cost somewhere in the ballpark of about $500, give or take, a little bit more, a little bit less. And this is actually a work computer. Now, when I say work computer, it's not something that I bought myself with my own money, and I do my homework or office work at home on this thing. This was actually given to me by my office to do real work on it. So, you know, when you're taking care of somebody else's stuff, if you happen to break it or you lose a component of it, sure enough, you have to replace it with your own money. And that's what happened with this. The computer's not broken, but obviously from the title of the video, you guys can see that this is about a power adapter. So I left the power adapter for this computer on a train here in Tokyo, Japan. And sure enough, I checked with the train station, see if anybody turned it in. Nope. So somebody just went ahead and confiscated that, and they're using it, charging up all kinds of shit right now. But I had to go out on the internet and find a new power adapter. So let me show you guys real quick. At least I'm going to show you part of it. I bought this one on Prime Day. It's a 65-watt charger. Hold on. Let me get this thing right. This is from a Chinese company called CYD, and this is a 65-watt USB Type-C AC adapter replacement for Lenovo ThinkPads for yoga. But even though it says all this Lenovo stuff here, you could pretty much use this on just about any type of laptop computer, I imagine a Dell, anything else, just as long as it requires 65 watts of power and it uses USB Type-C as the connection. But this is the charging brick here, and this is the Type B. And inside of this little female port, you're going to plug the actual cable itself. So the other end of this is going into an outlet right now, and we're just going to go ahead and plug this one up to this. Now, I know I did this video a little bit backwards. You're usually supposed to show the unboxing first and then plug it in second and say, oh, all of it works, it really works. But let me show you, because it's just cheap something from China. It comes inside of a unmarked cardboard box, nothing special. And inside of this, you get two pieces of plastic. Inside of one, you get the charging brick, and inside of the other one, you get the cable. So nothing special. We just, throw that to the side. So I couldn't believe that I lost my AC adapter. So I had to just go ahead and buy another one. Price on this one is, here in Tokyo, Japan, without any special sales, it was normally 2,500 yen, which is about 25 USD. Or I bought it on Prime Day, it got 500 yen off, so it's about 2,000 Japanese yen or 20 USD. I could have went ahead and got an actual Lenovo cable, but it just needs to charge this thing. That's all it needs to do, and it just needs to work. So whether I can do that for half price, sure, why not? I don't want to pay. I think the real one, the charging brick and all that, the real AC adapter costed something like $45. And, you know, I'm not sure if I really want to pay that. I think this is adequate. So, and another reason why I got this, let me unplug it one more time real quick, is that this actually looks like the real charger. It says 65 watts down here at the bottom, and on the back side, it says OYD at the top. But normally in the top left-hand corner, that's where it would say Lenovo, but, you know, you got your third-party branding there. But the Lenovo AC adapter looks almost exactly like this. Same size, width, all that stuff, weight, length, everything looks pretty much the same. So let's plug it in now for the first time and let me see if it's charging. All it needs to do is work. I'm gonna look down here at the bottom right hand corner and I see a little lightning symbol and it says battery status 4% available, plugged in. Now I don't think this is gonna show up on screen, obviously not, but it's down there. I'll see if I can try to get some Mac Zoom going, but it's just right there. Just trust me that it's working. So if you guys are in need of a replacement for any of your computers, trust me, it doesn't need to be a Lenovo. This will probably work on your Dell and anything else, just as long as it needs 65 watts of power, this will work. This is not going to work on a 16-inch 2021 MacBook Pro that requires like 140 watts or whatever it is that it needs. So don't try it on that, but glad to see that it's working. I just watched the battery status jump up from 4% to 5%. It means it's working. It says that it's plugged in. The lightning symbol is there. All the signs are here. My apartment hasn't set on fire with me in it. You don't see me burning up on video, so it's safe. Everything is good. So make sure that you guys look for the CYD 65 watt USB Type-C AC adapter. And that is it for this video. I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. And until next time, peace.